Have you ever sat at the breakfast table looking at your eggs and thought, is this actually good for me? If you're over 50, you might hear mixed messages. Some people say eggs are one of the best foods you can eat. Others say they could raise your cholesterol or hurt your heart. It gets confusing fast. One day they're healthy. The next day they're not. So how do you know what to believe? In this video, we're going to take a clear, honest look at what science really says about eating 2 eggs every day once you hit 50. I'll explain what's in an egg, what it does to your body, and how it can help or harm depending on your health. So, make sure you stick around till the end to find out. Let's start with what's inside an egg. It might look simple, but it is loaded with nutrients your body needs, nutrients that matter even more after you cross 50. Each egg gives you about 6 grams of high-quality protein. This is the kind of protein your muscles can actually use to repair and rebuild. Protein helps you stay strong, keeps your balance steady, and supports healthy aging. Eggs also give you vitamin B12. Your body needs this vitamin to make red blood cells and keep your nerves working right. Low levels of B12 can make you feel tired, foggy, or even cause memory problems over time. Another important nutrient in eggs is vitamin D. This vitamin helps your body absorb calcium, which keeps your bones from getting weak or brittle. As the years go by, bone loss becomes more common. Getting enough vitamin D from food and sunlight is one of the easiest ways to protect your bones. There's also a nutrient called choline. It is not something people talk about much, but it plays a huge role in brain function. Your brain uses choline to make signals between cells and to support memory. Most adults do not get enough choline, and eggs are one of the best food sources for it. And then there are 2 powerful antioxidants in egg yolks, lutein and zeaxanthin. These protect your eyes from harmful light and may lower the risk of common vision problems like cataracts or age-related macular degeneration. So, when you crack open that egg, you're not just getting protein. You're feeding your muscles, your brain, your eyes, your bones, and your energy. If you're already getting value from this video, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. And also, don't forget to like and share the video. Let's talk about what actually happens in your body when you eat 2 eggs a day after 50. One of the biggest things to understand is how eggs help with muscle maintenance. As you grow older, your body naturally starts to lose muscle. This is called muscle wasting, and it happens even faster if you are not active. Eating enough protein every day can help slow that down. 2 eggs give you around 12 grams of protein, which makes them a great start to your morning. Muscle strength matters more than people think. It keeps you steady when you walk, helps with joint support, and reduces the risk of falls or fractures. Eating eggs may also help your brain stay sharp. The choline in eggs supports brain cells and memory. Some studies suggest that people who eat enough choline do better on memory tests. It does not mean eggs are magic for your brain, but getting enough of the right nutrients does make a difference. Your eyes can also benefit. The lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs build up in the retina of your eye and act like natural sunglasses. They filter harmful blue light, reduce damage, and may help preserve clear vision over time. You might not notice this right away, but it matters in the long run. Eggs can even help with weight management. They keep you full longer. That means you might eat less during the day without even trying. A breakfast with 2 eggs tends to satisfy hunger better than a sugary cereal or plain toast. So far, the science is looking pretty good. But what about the thing people worry about most, cholesterol? For years, people were told to avoid eggs because of cholesterol. 1 egg has around 185 milligrams of cholesterol, and many believed that eating eggs would raise cholesterol in the blood and increase the risk of heart disease. But science has changed on this. Newer studies show that the cholesterol in food does not affect blood cholesterol as much as we used to think. For most healthy adults, Eating eggs does not cause a harmful rise in blood cholesterol. In fact, many people who eat eggs every day do not see any increase in their bad cholesterol at all. Some even see a small boost in their good cholesterol, which helps clean up extra fat from your blood vessels. That said, there are exceptions. If you already have heart disease, high cholesterol, or diabetes, then your body may respond differently. Some people are more sensitive to dietary cholesterol. If that's the case, it is best to talk to your doctor or dietitian before making eggs a daily habit. What really matters is the big picture of your diet. If eggs are part of a balanced meal, they can fit in just fine. But if you're eating eggs along with fried bacon, sausage, white toast with butter, and sugary drinks every day, the problem is not just the eggs. It is the whole meal. Eggs can be a healthy part of your day, but how you cook them matters. Boiling or poaching your eggs is one of the healthiest ways to eat them. You get all the nutrients without adding extra fat or calories. Scrambling eggs with a little olive oil is also a good choice. It adds some healthy fat without going overboard. Where things go wrong is when eggs are cooked in too much butter or oil, or when they're served with processed meats that are high in salt and fat. That kind of meal can work against your heart and your waistline. You also want to think about what you're eating with your eggs. Try adding vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, or bell peppers. These add vitamins and fiber. Whole grain toast can give you steady energy and keep you full longer. The goal is balance. Eggs do not need to be the only star of your plate. They work best when they are part of a simple, nutrient-packed meal. Here's the honest answer to the question. Does eating 2 eggs every day benefit you after 50? For most people, the answer is yes. Eggs offer protein to support your muscles, vitamins for your bones and brain, and antioxidants to protect your eyes. They keep you full, give you energy, and can be prepared in ways that are both tasty and healthy. The science shows that, for healthy adults, 2 eggs a day is not harmful. In fact, it can be part of a smart and balanced way of eating. But if you have heart problems, diabetes, or other conditions that affect how your body handles cholesterol, you should have a quick conversation with your doctor before making eggs a daily habit. At the end of the day, it is not just about the eggs. It is about your whole lifestyle, how you eat, how you move, and how you care for your body over time. Food is one of the simplest ways to support your health, but only works when you pay attention to what your body needs. 2 eggs a day might seem small, but over time, the right habits add up. Take a look at your plate. Make small, smart changes. And most of all, listen to your body. It knows more than you think. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and share it with someone who could use it too. And of course, subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.